Lynn. How are you doing on this beautiful, lovely morning?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes, at the moment we are just inviting Peter to come forward. Are you laughing?
No, I'm not laughing. There's nothing to laugh about.
Yeah.
I have two sons.
You have two sons, Lynn?
Yes, I have two sons. So when I look at them, I just cry.
You look on Jayden, you cry?
Yeah.
Oh. So, if you don't mind me ask you, Lynn, which one of the parish you live?
Clarendon.
Okay, good. So we have a principal in Clarendon that we need a principal to step down from Mineralites Primary. Have you ever heard about that school before?
Yeah, down Mayton side.
Right, so that principal, we need him to step down because of the unaliving of the little 12-year-old girl by the 3 boys in this school. We need him to step down.
True, man. Oh, God, so sad.
Very sad.
Sad, man.
Very, very sad indeed.
Oh, man.
And right now,
Oh, God.
we have, and I'd like the people on the platform that sit here with me at daytime to make us start being more vocal. We need the principal in a Clarendon Mineralites Primary to step down. We need the principal where the little 6-year-old baby was taken out of his school, go past a security guard. We need that principal to step down. And we need the whole culprit, what them call name Gabriel, to pack up film bag and go on a prison. And guys, me I beg you now, to make we be a bit more vocal. When I see the picture of them with Jayden, when I go type, when I go in the comment of the picture of them, and I type, come down Gabriel, come down. Come down, everybody. Anytime when I go up on one page, I want to see one picture. Anytime when I go up on a page and see a picture with Jayden, when I go up on the picture, doesn't matter if I want to enemy page and see it pan, go and type underneath the picture, come down Gabriel, come down. Fallen angel Gabriel, come down. Because we cannot sit around and have no principal that is incapable of looking after our most vulnerable, and we have them there like the only person in the world can be principal. We have other people can come do principal, and if somebody else come out not happy, they have to go same way. So anytime when you book up on one of Jayden's picture on the internet, when you go in the comment of the picture and put come down fallen angel Gabriel, come down. Yeah, come down Gabriel, come down. Because people, as I said, the thing is this, I know a lot of people are thinking that our children go missing on a day-to-day basis, which it is correct. However, what we need to make sure that the person who is meant to serve and protect the children are not the persons that are making the children them go missing. FYI, the parents, the guardians, the teachers, the doctors, the nurses, stuff like those. So those people should not be the people that we have to be campaigning for. If you know with me, say come down Gabriel. So what is the latest story where you get, Lynn? Because I heard that it was on CVM and JBC yesterday.
No, I never see that. I don't know.
You have to tell your boys them to be aware in your Lynn. Tell them to be very aware and tell them to be mindful as well. Because we are living in a cruel world, very cruel world.
So,
Guys, if you didn't realize me, I beg you to come look at up on the screen because the live turn up and me not hear nobody attack nothing. The live turn up on me like I'm rock zone. Guys, beg you to look up on the screen, please. God will bless you to them. So you've been following the story here long? You've been following the story long, Lynn?
yes, yes, that's true. Yeah. I follow it up, man. Every day, me and it.
You know, it's a love call me matter now. Some look nice, me nice looking like matter.
Oh, God.
I second day in a row you call me matter. Me have to have some look nice like matter. I mean, you nice looking body now. Some matter nice looking too.
Now get into that, man. We just a pray if you just find Jayden.
Okay. But we start broken now, man. We start broken and we have to just fall after. It's very heartbroken.
Yeah. Barely move. Night by night, you can't sleep. How me have pressure on my pressure high. Let me watch it.
So, right now, the fact that sun fly out, it kind of lead me to think that, and probably play a bigger role in this than the whole of we think. Because,
man, we're going to surprise.
Let me tell you something. You see, the fact that sun can give up our home, our yard, our shop, and everything and fly out. Those things have to take into consideration. Because I can't tell anyone on right now. My cousin went to foreign before, and my cousin said, Mr. Foreign and no better roses.
That's true, man.
In a one time when Donald Trump has said, you have to spend 324 here in the country before you can get any form of status.
True,
you understand? So, me don't like to ask the question, why a big woman going to pack up the whole of her belongings, left Jamaica, go off foreign, when foreign and no better roses.
Rose. Right. And she not young.
And then, and you're not young. If you're not in no problem or you're guilty of something right now.
Every one of us needs to be.
Lois!
Just last week, a group of our city.
Lois! Okay. Put on your phone and gone outside. You understand where I come from? And guys, if you don't hear me sound like I'm not serious, I'm telling you something right now. I am 150% serious. I am dead serious. It's only because I can't take things serious. Because my heart no good. But I am serious. Right now, because of the allegation that comes out about Ann and Peter, I wonder if Ann have more to do with Jayden than because now me I think about it. If Mr. T indeed give, which I believe he did, give the iron or the key in the morning, that means to say Ann can't well left the hospital.
Right. You see, Julie not talk truth, you don't know. Just
right. And if she and Peter go per tour Tuesday, she and Peter got per tour do Wednesday. Why she and Peter couldn't go Thursday and Friday? Why?
Right.
Why? Because I heard when time the baby when Spider-Man, I don't know how much people hear this for the media, you know. I heard when time Spider-Man dropped and was in the yard.
Jesus.
But because they're saying a different story, that's the reason why me no bother come and say that, because I don't want people to think like me I bring bring some things I'm not sure. But I heard she was not there.
Yeah, I make up story.
I heard she wasn't there. But it makes sense when she go say she run into the room. She probably was not there for true. She probably was not there.
Yeah, but them have to make up something and still, you know, he said, shall we say something?
Right, and I also think so as well, Christine. Is it Christina or Christina? I think so because a lady said to me in the beginning of this thing, the lady said, Tiger, I am not going to tell you for 100% certain, but I think you are one of that social media person that I see look like you guys are digging into this situation. And I think you should dig into Shanice's man. That's exactly the word for the lady said to me.
Okay.
She said she thinks I should dig into him. Because when you run back Shanice's interview, right? Shanice was her back was so up against the wall. Aina, sorry, I apologize to you guys. When you run back the Aina interview, right? I don't remember. One of the lady on the interview asked her about the baby father, and she says, "Oh no, he couldn't do Jayden anything because he went for training Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, one of those days." And I'm thinking, then she come back, and this is what I'm saying, guys. You all have to understand, cock mouth kill cock, and a whole of these cock is dying because she came back and told us. After she tell we say the guy in a training 2 days before Jayden went missing, she's the same one that come back and tell us the reason why the baby was in Jamaica, and we all know the baby was in Jamaica for about a month and 2 weeks, somewhere around there. So if that is the case, what she was telling us, that that the baby, if that was the case, what she telling us, that the baby was she sent the baby to Jamaica because she want help with the baby. Why send the baby to Jamaica a month when you claim that the father was still at the house? Would you not wait till the father soon going to the army, then you send me the baby? When you not have the help? That's 1 month and 2 weeks where the father could have spent a little more quality time with Spider-Man. Jojo! Jojo! How your name sound like Wobia, so? Jojo! Is it Jojo or Jojo? Your name sound like Wobia, but not Jojo. So you get your mic, you come back. You understand what I say? So these things are not making sense. These things are not making any sense.
True.
But when you really think, because guys, the thing is this, I listen to their interviews. You understand? I listen to their interviews. Because for me, there ain't no smoking gun. You have to pick up from one interview, listen to the next one, listen to the next one, and then you pick nonsense out of nonsense, because none of it ain't making no sense. You understand?
So sad.
And right now, right this minute here, I would have just love to get the opportunity to give an interview. But you don't need have to give me 2 or 3 of these family members. I just need one. If you want to give me the crocodile, or the reptile, or Shani, I will take anyone. Just one of them. I need to set this record straight. Just anyone. You understand? Any one of them. Just give me one of them, and I'll set this record straight for the public, and then we can back the right one if we get mad. And matter of fact, everybody needs to get mad. Everybody needs to get mad. Every single one of them needs to get mad. Guys, we're going to do more like a favor. We're there from morning. There's so much armor up on the live now. 13 hours and 8 minutes. See if you can put it at 150 likes for me. Please and thank you. 13 hours, guys. Make me see if you can go
Perth Drive. One lady say he saw him at Perth Drive. So that's why I say we'll go back and see if the lady did see him for true. It a puzzle me.
Hold on. So the lady will tell us say the lady tell Uno when Uno was on the search, so she
and
see
the
him?
police, yes.
Also, Uno did see that lady, the boy on the way when I search, and she said she saw him at Perth Drive.
Yes, we show him the picture. We show her the picture, and she said, yes, that's the little boy she saw the Tuesday morning.
The Tuesday morning? That was before him go missing, though?
No, the same Tuesday morning when he missing. He missing
and
on
Tuesday
Friday.
He go missing, he missing Friday?
He missing on Friday. I said the Tuesday morning.
Oh, that a Tuesday morning when Una search, not the Saturday morning, no?
Yes.
Also, she said she see him this morning earlier.
After 9. Yes, she saw him after 9. So she said she never really a pre nothing Tiger because, you know, say picnic go to school late and something. And in Manchester, so she said she feel like I turn back the little boy. She never know if I missing little boy. She know if I missing little girl. So, and when we show her the picture now, she like, no, that little boy I miss it this morning. I was to miss how far in gone. She said down the road. Every house we check, they say the camera now work and they now give access to the camera. That's in Perth Drive.
Alright, so when that search, you want to know that search, police was there, or was it just one police?
Yes, police was there, a whole lot of police was there, the K9 was there, fire brigade was there, the Tuesday.
Alright, cool. So the Tuesday, where on Perth Road did she say she see him that morning?
That was Perth Drive. I said Perth Drive.
Sorry, where on Perth Drive did she say like around?
After 9 in a uniform, I go down the road.
Like
in a whole scheme. Down the road is a whole scheme.
Or like him a head down in the scheme.
Yes, because the lady house up at the top. That's the lady house is the third house there.
Oh, wow.
Hold on there. Marlon! My dear, Tiger, the people them place lock up and